Ed here. First of all, thank you for stopping by. This is a new channel and I will be revealing everything I see and honesty reviews. Everything I will review, I buy and I pay for. I'm not revealing something that was given to me or free like many of the other revealers. That's why I decided to do this channel, to be honest with you. I don't want you to buy something because somebody said it's good, and after you buy, you discover that really it's not that good. That happened to me. It's frustrating. So here I'm very excited because I believe this is the very first review on this helicopter. It is a ROBAN, well and famous maker of fuselage and helicopter kits. I have plenty of ROBAN fuselage helicopters. It is always a pleasure and opening a box, something that comes from ROBAN. This is a very new helicopter. It is the Z-10. It's a Chinese attack helicopter. And like I said, it is new, and without any further ado, let's start. I'm so excited. I guess I was a good boy, and Santa just bought that to me on a brown truck, and I can't contain my happiness and open this box. It's always exciting opening a new box, right? Yeah, we go back to the childhood. There you go. All right. Oh yes, look at that. Very well packaged. Very well packaged. That's good. You don't want to get something broken, right? It's a long trip. Oh, look at this. Very well protected. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. Well, let's start taking the radio out. The radio is a good radio. Another brands using the same radio. And I'm going to take the helicopter right away out. Look at that. Oh my God. They did really well. All the rivets, all the details. Let's put it here aside. Going to that in a little bit. What else we have in here? We have, I believe that's the machine gun that goes on front in here. We have the missiles and the hellfire that goes on the both parts. Oh yes, well made. And that's the hellfire. They go over here. We have the quick start manual for the radio. You don't need that. We have this little bag in here. We have a 9 degrees USB cable, probably to hook up on a flight controller. We have a binding cable. For the radio, you're probably not going to need it because I believe it comes ready to fly. We have in here another USB cable. We have, this is the bracket that goes on the radio if you want to turn the gimbal. A little X key. This I think is for the, yes, is the extension cord for the little transformer. If you are on this hobby, you probably have your own balancing and charging unit. That's what I would use. But if you don't, you can charge the battery and start flying right away once you get to this package. And it comes with the battery. The battery is a ROBAN battery, 5,200 milliamperes, 4S, 14.8 volts. It looks good. And I believe that's, oh yes, and we have the blades. I have 4 blades in here. Very nice fiberglass, and it is scale as well. Very nice, very nice. And I believe now this box is empty, so let's put this away. All right, let's look at this beauty. Oh my, the shocks are nice. Look at that. Magnets. The mechanic is held by 40 screws, sliding, so you can just slide everything off for maintenance. It is reinforced on top, what is very good, so we don't have vibration in here. That's very important. The antennas are 90 degrees, correct. We have the receiver. We have the GPS module mounted right here on the back. What is good, away from the magnets. And that's what I can see right now. This is really, oh, look at this. Look at that, detail. This is not decal or transfer or plastic. This is painted, guys. This is all painted, look at this. Every little thing is all painted. Very nice detail. And this is 4 blades. They do have 2 blades. They do have ready to fly like this kit. And they also have without the radio, without the transformer, without the battery, and you can bind your whole radio. And I think the prices are really good for what it is. It's very nice, good quality. And look at this, the turret and the machine gun pod, they all turn. And look at this, you turn it up and down here. The optics, 360, look at that. You can actually put 2 microservers in here and have the turret and the optics working. I'm going to put some navigation lights on it and spice them up a little bit and be wonderful. Very nice, very nice. I'm really happy in having this helicopter on my fleet. Folks, the next review will be actually the flight test. If the weather permits, very cold outside. Once that I have opportunity, I will be doing the flight test, and I will revealing also the mechanics, the GPS, the calibration for the GPS, the software, and going over everything with you. Well, for now, this is what you're gonna get buying this helicopter, and I will put a description and a link on where you can find. This is a new product, and this, I believe, is the first review on YouTube about this helicopter. Again, this is a ROBAN Z-10. It's a Chinese attack helicopter. It is a real nice, everything is exactly the same with the actual one. And it is a GPS. It is suitable for beginners. You don't need to have a whole lot of experience to fly. And if you have any questions, please write down below and I will do my best to answer your question. And Merry Christmas for everybody, sir. Bye-bye.